New invention of chimney to avoid cold in the house. So simple, easy work. A new way to install a fireplace in the house during the cold season. This fireplace has a very good look and is very comfortable to work with. The wood burns quickly and gives good heat. It is comfortable. Thank you for watching. Go check out more videos in my page.